Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about a product that has seemingly gotten more popular as the decade has went on. As for cooking or for beauty product uses, I can't seem to go anywhere without hearing about coconut oil, which is definitely not a bad thing because this product is pretty amazing in all of its uses, especially for a natural product. You know, it's definitely good for somebody who is on a budget and who wants to use something for multiple uses. So before I go any further, I'm just going to talk about what this product is and what it says that it is going to do. So it is by BetterBody Foods, which is a company that they make a lot of natural products for the kitchen mostly, such as like chia seeds, things like that you can add to maybe a smoothie or something that you're cooking to add a more nutritional value or to just be a healthier alternative to something else. This is called the Naturally Refined Coconut Oil Neutral Flavor for high heat cooking, and it has MCTs. So triglycerides are supposed to boost your energy. I cannot specifically say that it has boosted my energy, but then again, I don't use this mostly for cooking. I've only used it for cooking a couple of times. The rest are for beauty uses, which I will go further into later on in the video. So this product by itself says this oil can take the heat. Hands down, naturally refined organic coconut oil is the best oil for cooking. It works wonders in high heat cooking, up to 425 degrees, making it a perfect butter and vegetable oil substitute for baking, sauteing, and even deep frying. But you can also use this product for your beauty uses, as I mentioned before. This product definitely does not have a smell or a taste, which is amazing if you're using it for cooking or you are sensitive to smells and scents on your own body. For cooking, if you want to use it to make a stir fry or to use instead of a butter, it's perfect for that because you don't have that coconutty, which tends to be strong, aftertaste or aroma coming from everything you make, you know, so you can use it in a savory dish or a sweet dish. It won't really make a difference. It'll just make sure that your fat isn't super high, your sugar's not going to be high, and your salt's not going to be high because the fat is only 14 grams of fat, which might seem like a lot, but it is the good fat. It's the natural fat. There are 0 milligrams of sodium and 0 grams of sugar. So perfect for someone who might have diabetes or someone that needs to watch their sugar intake or their salt intake. It's wonderful for that. So this product is for a lot of different people with a lot of different needs and uses, which goes into my beauty section of this video. So me personally, I mostly use this as a lotion instead of a lotion. I tend to be sensitive to scents and things like that. This product is perfect. The consistency is kind of like butter, but it's not super heavy and it does go into a more liquidy as you rub it in. You can keep this in the refrigerator if you would like, if you like that cold sensation. It will get harder, but if you leave it out in room temperature after it has been refrigerated, it will go back to its natural state, which I will show you is kind of like a butter texture all in itself. What I like to use it for mostly is for my elbows. They tend to get super dry in the wintertime, like right now. So I just take a small amount, rub it into my elbows, and they instantly just feel relieved and they're not as cracky as they were before. My cuticles tend to do the same thing. They get kind of dry, so I just like to take the rest and rub it into my cuticles. Another thing you might want to do is take some of this product, put it into your cuticles, put some gloves on, go to sleep. You'll wake up with beautiful soft hands. As for feet, if you want to do the same thing, put some on the bottoms of your feet. Mine tend to get dry and cracky as well. Put some socks on, go to sleep, wake up, and your feet will be incredibly smooth and definitely repaired. Another thing that's good to do is to put it at the ends of your hair. I say the ends of your hair for if you're planning on going out in public, because if you put it all over your hair, you're going to have a really greasy look. But I just like to take a tiny amount. I don't even go inside all the way. I just kind of go at the rim, whatever's left there, rub it in between my fingers, and just put the tips of my hair to kind of mend the ends, especially since I do color my hair a lot and use a lot of heat product. So that's something that is definitely helpful. Another thing, if you want to do a deep conditioning mask for your hair, put a good amount all through the hair, roots to tip, either put like a plastic bag around your head, like a cap, or if you have a particular cap that you like to use, you might want to wear that to bed, or put your hair up. You'll wake up, your hair will be incredibly soft, smooth, shiny after you wash it out, of course. You might want to spend some extra time washing it out to make sure that there is no residue left over. This product is so multi-useful. The only thing I do recommend is that you don't, take this into the bathroom and then go and use it for cooking. You know what I mean? You want to be sanitary with your products, of course. So you're going to want to make sure you take a container, put a little bit in there for one area, maybe keep the rest in another area, whichever you use most or wherever you prefer. Yes, coconut oil is amazing. This brand in particular I enjoy because of the no scent, and there is no uber greasy residue. That I tend to have a problem with other brands. And it's frustrating because, you're spending your money on something and you want to get the most out of that product. This product for sure is amazing because it does not run out quickly. So you do get the bang for your buck. You're not going to run out of this product as quickly, and you can definitely, use it throughout your household if you just put it into different containers as so. So in general, this product is amazing. I would use it every single day. I do use it every single day, and I really have no complaints for it. The no smell is very unique to this brand, I think. I haven't really found another one like this, and I enjoy it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.